we meet again. Yep. Gotta put up with this butt sniffing redneck kid again. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Well, in this episode, in this episode, whatever you want to call it, movie, well, I'm back at the tractor place. I'm at the tractor place again, Muth's. Well, as you noticed in my other videos, I've been down here checking out the tractors, filming all the tractors, pretty much. Well, I thought for the tractor part of it, dump truck part of it, come back down here, do another video, do another round of looking at tractors and crap. Well, start off with the dump trucks, with the trucks. Up, as noticed in my other video, at the end of the other video, didn't get to check out all the dump trucks because my camera died. So, I don't know. Now let's get to work here. Well, first things first. We got a McCoy Chevy C60, whatever it is. It's got a skateboard bed, flatbed. It's a Chevy. That's a Pizza Hut emblem. Get it? Them Chevys, they have Pizza Hut emblems. Or they're kind of shaped like a Pizza Hut emblem, almost. Yep. Deliver a bunch of pizza on the back of this truck. There's the exhaust. Got the muffler turn down tip. Stock. Ooh. Yeah, this truck, I don't know if I recognize this truck sitting here. This might be new. I might have just gotten this one in, maybe. Oh crap. Oh shoot. Need an elevator getting in these suckers. There. There we go. Yeah, it looks like got a 5-speed. Try not to roll away. Go for a spin. There's neutral. Yeah, got your 2-speed axle there. Low and high range. Yeah, if you're pulling the house, if you're hauling a house in the back, use them high and low ranges. Alright. Get in there. There's first. We got low. That's the La La Land gear. That's the granny gear. Yep. Yep, for pulling a million houses. Slammer in that gear. There's second, I think. Third. Turd. Where's fourth? There's fourth. Somewhere around there. Somewhere in there. And there's fifth. Ugh, we better back up. We went too far. Piece of crap. Ugh. There's reverse. There's race mode. Ain't got no keys. I was gonna go to the beer store. I ain't got any keys, so I can't go. Alright, next. Yeah, there's your radio. Got heat. Got your heater. There's cold. No AC. Oops. Someone was singing there. Alright. No bodies in there, I don't think. Yep. Now we got an International. We'll give it a test. Whoa. Something banged in there. Well, here's an International. I don't know. It's parked next to a John Deere combine. Ugh. Oh crap. Any creatures in here? Oh. Oh. Damn it. Get up this thing without busting my ass. Ooh. There we go. Well, here she is. How many gears we got? This thing might be straight piped. Did you hear how it sounded? That's what I'm talking about. Yep. Might be a grain truck or something. All something in it. Here's your tunes. Didn't sound good. 7,582 miles or something. I don't know. Oops, there's neutral. Georgia overdrive. don't see the gear pattern anywhere, so guess I'm gonna have to guess which. I'm just gonna have to slam it in the gear and see which way I go. Oops, wrong gear. There's your 2-speed there. Where's the gears at? Damn it. Where's race mode at? I gotta get to the beer store. Need to find some gear to go fast in. I don't know. Who knows? Alright, there's your lights. Windshield wipers. All your goodies. No keys, so can't take it for a rip. Ah! Alright. Alright. What's next? Well, gotta fix or repair daily dump truck. I mean Ford. Shame on me. Yep, Ford F600. Piece of turd. Get her open there. Well, sat in this one in my other video. Got my booty wet. Oh, and the seats are dirty. Oh, ah. I'm gonna get dirty. Every time I fart, every time I rip farts, it's gonna be blowing dust everywhere. That won't be good. There's your shifter. Got your La La Land gear. Once again, you gotta pull a mansion. Gotta slam it in that gear. Gear in second. There's second. Turd gear, third, whatever you want to call it. There's fourth. Crap, that's too fast. Better get it out of fourth. And reverse is all the way up here. There's race mode, reverse. Oops. There's your 2-speed axle. Damn it, there's no keys in these trucks. Well, I was going to fire this thing up and fire these trucks up and do a burnout in them. There's no keys in them. Alright. Got your air brake somewhere. Wipers, lights. 61,041 something. Ah! Oh crap. Hope it didn't get my booty wet and dirty. 'Cause it happened last time. Pissed me off. Oh. Alright, next. Yeah, got another Ford. I believe this is the last truck. Ooh. Might get a little glass on my butt crack, but oh well. Yeah, probably all got V8s in them. Hope my butt doesn't bleed. Oh! Oh crap. Oh. I ain't gonna be able to go to the toilet for a while. Nope. That just shattered my ass. My butt is bleeding. Yep, got a 4-speed. There's neutral. There's second. There's third. What else? Where else do I go? Ugh, stiff clutch. Piece of crap. Won't go in first. There we go. There's a La La Land gear. Compound. You got second. Third, fourth. And there's race mode reverse. That R, that's race mode. Got it? There's your tunes. Got heat, got your heater. Oh. Piece of crap. There's your ashtray. There's your brake. There's a coffee cup. Should we taste test it? There's actually stuff in there. It's heavy. I'm gonna taste test it. No, bear not. It's empty. Darn it. Alright. Got a shattered windshield. That's your visors there. That's some gloves. hard as cement, hard as rock. Seat's a little hard. Bust my booty. Oh. I'm getting pissed off here. Try not to trip and fall. Any blood on the seat? All that glass. Yeah, some of these probably don't run. Probably might not run, I don't know. Can't find the hood latch. What the hell? Yeah, just get in and slam through all the gears in these trucks. Why not? That's as good of a test drive we're gonna get. Just pretend. This damn thing. Oh, oh. Whoa, Mule. Oh. There. Looks scary. What kind of machinery we got here? Yeah, this might be a gas engine. No creatures in there. Yeah, probably a gas engine. Don't know what liter it is. Got your exhaust manifolds there. Yep, take those off. Be shooting flames out of there. Should we do it? Got your fan clutch there. Rip your hand off. Got your carburetor. There's the exhaust. Eek. About blew me away. Get away from that. Those are international farts coming out of that exhaust. Don't want to breathe that in. Oh, I'll get this darn thing closed. Ah. Oh. Hope we can get the damn thing closed. Yeah. Oh. 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 Can't do it. Darn thing latched. There. Ugh. There. Yeah, better close that hood up, latch her down. Don't want that powerful engine flying out. Yeah, all a bunch of grain and crap back there. We got an International tractor. International tractor versus an International truck. That might be a battle. Get up this darn thing. There's your gears. There's neutral. Hit 5-speed. Got D, T, A. Don't know what those gears mean. Should probably better not test those out. Might explode. Oh, it's a long ways down. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, probably won't look at any more tractors. This video is already 1,000,000 hours long, so about 30 minutes. So this is more of a dump truck edition video. Oh. Don't know where the hood latches are on these things, so I don't know. Well, that's pretty much it. Yep, just a 20-hour long video of sitting in all these dump trucks and laying smackdowns, slamming through all the gears. Yeah, why not? I don't know. We'll meet again.